In front of me is Nubia Magic 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Then click on the Clipboard icon at the top of it. And to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. As you can see, Clipboard is on. Now to use it, go back thanks to this arrow at the top left corner. Type in wherever you want to and cut it or copy it. To paste it, you can tap on it right away at the top of your keyboard, or click on Clipboard and tapping on it here. To pin any added sentences, use this pen at the top right corner. Click on the chosen one and use this pin also at the top right corner. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, click on the pen. Select your sentence and use the delete button next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!